Welcome to Lenino. Today we are going to discuss quant sections, quant questions, previous year section 6. So let's go into questions. A 3-digit number is such that the ratio of its unit digit, tens digit and 100 digit is 1:3. Sum of this number and the reverse number obtained by reversing the order of its digit is 1332. Find the number. Here, let the 3-digit number be 100 into 3x plus 10 into 2x plus 6. So 300x plus 20x plus 3x. Here 100 into x, 10 into 2x into 3 into x. 3 into x. So 123x total. 123x. According to the question, we know that 321x plus 123x equal to 1332. So 444x equal to 1332, x equal to 3. Hence the number 100 into 3 plus 10 into 2 into 3 plus 3 into 3. So total answer is 300 plus 60 plus 9, that is 369. Here the question, a 3-digit number is such that the ratio with unit digit, 10 digit and 100 digit is 1:2:3. Sum of this number and the reverse number obtained by reversing the order of its digit is 1332. That is 1, 2, 3. Reversing the order 3, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 3x equal to total 1332. So 444x equal to 1332. So x equal to 3. Substituting the values in this equation, 100 into 3 plus 20 into 3 plus 3 into 3. So 369 is the answer. Next question. A man planted 20025 mango trees in his garden in such a way that there are as many rows as there are mango trees in each row. Find the number of rows. Let the number of rows in garden x and the number of trees in each row x. According to the question, find the number of rows is asked. X into x equal to a man plant 21025 mango trees. So x into x equal to 201025. So x equal to 145. Hence the number of rows in garden is 145. Sum of two numbers is 27. Find 5 times of one number is equal to 4 times the other. The smaller of two numbers is. The sum of two numbers is 27. 5 times of one number. 5 times of one number is equal to 4 times of other. Smaller of two numbers. So x equal to 4 by 5y. So 4 by 5y plus y equal to 7. So from this we get Or another way we can do it in x plus y equal to 27. 5x minus 4y from this equation, minus 5x minus 4y equal to 0. Solving these equations, we get y equal to 15, x equal to 12. So smaller the number is x equal to 12. There are two consecutive natural numbers such that the sum of their squares is 313. Find the smaller of these two numbers. Let the two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1 according to the question. Squares x square plus x plus 1 square equal to 313. X square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 313. 2x square plus 2x equal to 312. X square plus x equal to 156. X into x plus 1 equal to 13 into 12. X equal to 12. Hence, the smaller of these two numbers is 12. From this equation, we get x square plus x equal to 156. From that, we will get x equal to 12. In a competitive exam, next question. In a competitive exam, 3 marks are to be awarded for every correct answer. And for every wrong answer, 1 mark will be deducted. Sindhu scored 80 marks in his exam. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answer, Sindhu would have scored 90 marks. If Sindhu attended all the questions, then the number of questions in the test are. According to the question, take correct question as X. Incorrect question as Y. So, 3 marks are to be awarded for every correct answer. 3x minus 1. For wrong answer, 1 mark will be deducted. So, Y is equal to 80. From next statement, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks deducted for. So, 4 are x minus 2y equal to 90. Solving this equation, multiplying by 4 in each case. 12x multiplied by 4 in each case. 12y, 4y equal to 320. Then 12x here multiply by 3. Multiply by this y, multiply by 3. 6y equal to 270. So 2y equal to 50. Y equal to 25. On putting the values, 3x equal to 80 plus 25. X equal to 105 by 3. So x equal to 35. If Sindhu attempted all the questions, then find the number of questions. If Sindhu attempted all the questions. number of questions in the test will be x plus y equal to 35 plus 25, that is equal to 60. Answer is 60. The cost of two tables and 3 chairs is 540. 2 tables plus 1 chair equal to 470. Subtracting 2c equal to 70, c equal to 35. So 5 chairs, 35 into 5, 17175. The sum of two positive numbers is 45. X plus y equal to 45. Difference is 90. What are the numbers? Two x equal to 64. X equal to 32. On putting the value of x in this equation, 32 plus y equal to 45. So y equal to 30. Here asked two positive numbers sum 45, difference is 90. What are the numbers? Solving this equation, we get x equal to 32, y equal to 30. Find the number whose 1/3 part is 6 more than its 1/5 part. Find the number. Let the number be x. X into 1/3 minus x into 1/5 equal to 6. So 5x minus 3x equal to 15 into x. So 2x equal to 90, x equal to 45. Sum of two numbers is 32 and one of them exceeds the other by 18. Sum of two numbers is 32 and one of them exceeds the other by 32. So x minus y equal to 18. Solving this equation, 2x equal to 50, x equal to 25. Putting the value of x in this, b equal to 7. So greater number is 20. Greater number is 20. So this is the last question. Thank you.